What's up, everyone? All right. So last night, or I guess yesterday, we kind of had a dump. Um, we had an extreme sell-off. Let's see, since the FOMC meeting came out, extreme sell-off. Um, Glad to not be starting the day near the all-time high. I feel like it's what I've been doing this whole month of December is just staying around the all-time high. So, and last night we've kind of just been ranging between the 649. Well, I mean, this is a pretty big range right here. But either way, let's see what happened over here. That was a close. I guess last night I'll just start it from 8. So things are slowly inching, upwards. So we have some forward momentum. Um, and we'll just wait and see kind of, what's going on. I have no expectations for what the market's going to do today. I know, from past experiences, on days when we have a massive sell-off, we tend to have a green day the next day. And then on days where the previous day was a massive green day, like we had on Monday, um, the next following days tend to be kind of just range bound and or like, just slowly moving markets. So we'll see what happens today. Um, yeah. I'm excited for us to not start the day around the all-time high. Um, when starting the day around the all-time high, it's always nerve-wracking because you never know what's going to happen. But at least when you're not around the all-time high, at least when you're around the all-time high, things tend to just move forward. In the future, I'm going to not look around, but like I'm going to see how I'm going to try to start to look into introducing. I do have to run some back testing on this, but I'm going to try to introduce some, you know, introduce running my algo when a major news is coming out, like the FOMC. As far as the calendar today, let's see what we have at so Wednesday, December no, today's Thursday, December 19. Yep. So today, 8:30, we had jobless claims. What happened at 8:30? Uh, I'm guessing everything was in line because or within consensus. Yep, it was within consensus. So that's why there really isn't a big movement right here. And the consensus was that, jobless claims are going down. So we had a -8. Um, at 10 o'clock, we have existing home sales, which should be a market mover. Um, so yeah, so context right now is we had a jobless claim that, didn't really move the market much. So that's not going to be pushing us up or pushing us down. Um, And the only context that we do have to work from is that yesterday we had a major sell-off, and that the outlook is that the Fed will not be lowering rates as much as people would like. But I personally don't see that as a problem. I think the market is still fire, and the economy is doing great. I don't see why, what that is a problem, or why that can be a problem. Yesterday we had you know, a a small green day, but we'll accept it. A small green day is much better um, than any red day, honestly. So almost just about 6 minutes until the market opens, and all we do is just wait to see what happens. My expectation is that we'll go higher. At least that's what I think is going to happen. The odds are just higher. All right, we have one more minute. Market's about to open. Looks like we're gonna have a green day today, or at least we're gonna be starting out long. But let's see, anything can happen. Let's check it out in the lower time frame. I think this seems to be an overnight high. Let's see if we tap it and if we kind of continue through it on the lower time frame. All right, we're making a newer overnight high. All right, we may just go long. All right, and we're long as expected. I want to move these targets higher. And we got faked out. All right, looks like we're gonna be going short. I hate mornings like this when we kind of get faked around, tossed around. Let's see, we're down 382. All right, we're long again. Watch us get. I like moving my first two stops, especially with five contracts, just because I'm confident enough that we'll hit those, or at least we're gonna try to hit those. And I mean the rewards on those are much smaller. Or we may have the kind of day where it's just whiplashing around, up and down, really, really hard. It's all over the place. Can it push higher? Honestly, if it does, it's good. And if it doesn't, then we don't. Stopped out again. That really hurts. All right, volatile day. I'm guessing we're gonna keep trending down. Let's see. All right, let's go short here, but at least that's what I think it's gonna happen. So we're down so far, almost 800 bucks today. That's one hell of a open, right? And it's not even 9:40 yet. So literally within the first 10 minutes, within the first 10 minutes, it got whiplashed around two full stops in a row, and it's not even 9:40 yet. It's gonna be a fun day today. let's see where we're starting for. I haven't looked at this, but today we are, I mean, we're up 100 points. I didn't even look at that. Let's see. We're gonna go long again. What I don't want to happen is for us to get faked out. All right, we're long again. Oh no, we're short actually. Ooh, that's a bold move there. What I will say is if we can break through that, I'm confident with moving my targets. It's like it's gonna be a violent sell-off. Let's see. And I'm only moving my targets because if we can break the prior low, then there's room for continuation. Because overall, we're kind of trending down. Let's see. We're gonna have a third full stop for the day, possibly. This was a crazy open. I'll tell you that. And we're liquidated. And it's not even 9:45 yet. Three stops. Oh man. So the context here is after a big, big sell-off, shit's gonna be crazy. Let's see, what are we down today? 11. Today was supposed to be a green day. We'll see. I mean, it doesn't matter. I think we seem to be getting flushed. Every time we take a position, flushed, flushed, flushed. All right. All right, we're gonna open one more position. We have about 30 more seconds until the market or until it's 9:45. And we're short. Remember, these four, if we can break through that low, there's high confidence that we'll reach these targets. And I am being a little too greedy right now, and I probably shouldn't be. And I'm only being greedy because I've had three consecutive losses. Watch us like, you know, get stopped out again. Stopped out. Dude, I'm just keep getting punched left and right. Ouch. All right, I'm done for the day. Ooh, wee, that hurts. I'm literally getting punched out or getting ouch. Ooh, wee. I gave back all of my gains. Oh man, today was not fun. Look at this. Normally I do the AI or the algorithm only does one trade a day. The open stopped out. Next trade stopped out. Next trade stopped out. Next trade stopped out. This was not a typical day, but it's an abnormal day, and we just got to accept it and move forward. All right, everyone. As you guys saw, we got whiplashed, our ass kicked, handed to us. So we just move forward and, you know, wait until the next day. Um, Stay safe out there. Oh man, it's crazy out there. All right, everyone. Have a good rest of your day.